Welcome back to the farm, YouTube. Today I have something special for you. What is that? So what we have here is a connecting rod from a battleship from World War I, and we're gonna see if we can send a bullet through it. It's a big, huge, heavy billet connecting rod, real thick, as you can see. But I don't know what's gonna happen. She's all milled out here in the middle. Thickest parts right here. What's gonna go through it? So because shooting that thing is gonna be pretty damn sketchy and I don't wanna die today, I got these cardboard things kind of set up like a fort so I can kind of hide behind it. Took 7 of them to stop at 300 Win Mags, so at point blank. So I'm hoping whatever I shoot doesn't bounce back faster than I hit it with, you know what I mean? So anyways, let's get to shooting. It's time to rock and roll here, buddy. So, I'm gonna go hot, 22, and just try to hit it. So there we have our 22 impact. It barely touched the surface of that. So 17 Mach 2 up next. 17 Mach 2 next. I hit in that little gully thing, so it did like a fucking little quarter pipe or something there, but zero, like nothing happened. Just barely touched the surface, just same as a 22. 3-inch Magnum double-aught buck versus a connecting rod out of the Mossberg Model 88. There's double-aught buck. So it definitely hit and made little dingers in there. And it hit pretty damn hard, but it didn't make much of a mark. It's kind of crazy. Let's hit it with a rifle, or actually let's do a slug first. 2 3/4 1 ounce slug. That's where the slug hit. As you can see, went about as deep as the double-aught, but there's like some kind of a, maybe it's just like waxed it out, a little bit of lead. All right, rifles up next. First up for the rifles, 30-30, 170 flat tip, hand load. Let's see what happens. So there we have the 30-30. Didn't do much. Just kind of maybe went in 1/4 of an inch, an eighth maybe, an eighth. This is barely a millimeter. That one's maybe 2 millimeters. So if that makes any difference for you, going in the old metric form, there you go. SKS up next, 762 by 39. All right, SKS. So far the SKS did the most damage, like a lot more than everything else. That's a 30-30, double-aught buck, slug, and the SKS, 762 by 39. Last but not least, 300 Win Mag. The string pulled one. Point blank, pretty damn close. Let's see what happens. Okay, slow-mo camera's going. We're pretty much damn near point blank. Cameras are rolling. I'm going way back here because there's not a chance I'm getting hit with 300 Win Mag. Anyways, let's see what we hear. Going hot. 3, 2. Haha, definitely hit it. All right, what do we got for damage? Let us see. Okay. Oh, that is insane. It almost went through. There's a bulge on the back. Wow, that's insane. Like, that's at least halfway, probably about an inch in anyways. Crazy. Well, the rifle seems to be still okay. Bolt handle's still holding up, except for the bolt comes out. Oh, the little clippy clipper retaining clip is there. All right, there we have it, boys. That's what the 300 does at point blank right there. Of course, we fired it remotely because I don't trust this thing anymore with the bolt being all glued back together. Use some TIG glue for that one though. But yeah, this thing is not right anymore. I'm not gonna ever shoot it probably again, except for with a string on it like this. It seems to work a lot better and a lot safer anyways. But yeah, we can do cool stuff. That's right up close. Boom! See you next time.